In this demo, we will use ReflectionMagic to set a private field. But as you're used to by now, let's first put this code from the previous demo in a method of its own so you still have it for reference. There we go. So let's start by newing up a new person. Then we use reflection to get a private field from the person type. As you remember from a previous demo, that field is named underscore a private field, and we pass through instance and non-public as binding flags to ensure that we can effectively find it. Then we call into set value on that private field information, passing through the object on which we want to set the value and the new value for the private field. Let's set a breakpoint here to see if this works. Our code executed correctly. And if we look at our person object, we see that the private field now has new private field value as value. So far, so good. But this code is quite cumbersome. Let's improve on that with ReflectionMagic. So let's right-click our project and choose to manage NuGet packages. We browse for ReflectionMagic. And there it is. It looks like it's quite a popular library, almost 1.5 million downloads for something that exclusively deals with reflection. That's quite a lot. Let's install it. And there we go. Now let's use this. We call asDynamic on the person instance. To be able to resolve that, we do need to import the ReflectionMagic namespace. This will convert the person to that custom dynamic object we just talked about. From this moment on, we can treat it as any other object and, for example, set a private field on it to a new value. The cool thing here is that this will work. With regular dynamics, you wouldn't be able to set a private field like this. But ReflectionMagic uses private reflection underneath the covers, so we can. Our breakpoint is still there. Let's give this a try. We hit our breakpoint. And if you look at our person now, we see that a private field was indeed updated via ReflectionMagic. There's more we can do with ReflectionMagic. We can call methods on it, be it private or public. We can set properties on it via regular property assignment syntax, and so on. Nothing new here. With that, it's time for the module summary.